Hey, it's Elliot, and this is my 3-month testosterone update. Um, Technically, 3 months was a little bit ago, like a couple days ago, but I've had a concussion and didn't feel up to filming this video until now. And in the past month, I think my voice has really started to really drop. Like, it was dropping, but I'm just going to adjust this a little. It was dropping, but I feel like it's now sitting much lower. It's been very, very cracky. I can't really sing right now much. I have to figure out where I can sing just because my voice has gotten a lot deeper, so it cracks so much when I try to sing. I'm hoping that not sorts itself out, but I hope that I can really sing again soon, because I'm hoping to sing again when I go back to school in choir. Not choir, but like church choir. So not a ton of us that do church choir. But yeah, it cracks anytime I try to project too much. I'm figuring out how to do that a little bit. In terms of my facial hair, it's still about the same with that little wispy. My sister called it a pube stash or something. I have a lot more hair on my legs, with my upper thighs, I noticed, and on my belly I have some hair. I had a little bit of hair on my belly, but now it's my whole not my whole belly, but just the bottom has a nice little bit of hair, which is nice. My acne has definitely gotten worse, but again, I don't know how much of that was testosterone. I'm also healing from surgery still, but it's just been a lot of really feeling like I'm settling into me, which is nice. And I get SIR'd a lot more, which I think is more to do with my top surgery than testosterone changes, but I feel like I'm passing more. And I mean, passing's not everything, but I just feel more confident, if that makes sense. And yeah, my voice is cracky. My voice is so crackly, but I'm kind of enjoying that phase right now. Just in terms of, I don't know. I don't know. Knowing that my voice is cracking because it's getting deeper. I've definitely started to experience a little bit of fat redistribution. So I'm learning to adjust to that. This is a really short video, but I wanted to make sure I made it. Yeah, I can't believe it's already been 3 months since I started. But it has. So, thanks for watching. See you next time.